This breath uses a breath as well as a visualization. So I'll just describe it for you and then we'll go into the practice. To practice this, you'll imagine that your breath is creating a square. So you'll visualize the square. I'll just show you with my hand as we're getting started. Begin by inhaling deeply as you imagine that vertical line being drawn on the left side. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Suspending the breath, drawing the horizontal line across the top for a 4 count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then exhaling down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Holding the breath out for the bottom line, completing the square. 3, 4. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath out. 2, 3, 4. And closing your eyes down. Hands can be resting on your knees. Continue with this breath on your own. Inhale deeply. Exhale. And sit for a moment, noticing how you feel. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes.